Okay, so our next song we're going to be doing is Praise Adonai. And this song is in the key of E minor. And E minor is related to G major. You're going to see I have that at the top of your sheet here, that they are relatives. And the reason they're relatives is because they both have the same notes. And that special note in the key is F sharp. So instead of us playing the G major scale, we're going to play the E minor scale. So it's going to start on E and end on E. So to play that, you can see on your tablature, we begin on the D string on the 2nd fret. So this is on your sheet where it says the E minor scale right here. And we're going to play through that 2 times, and at the end we will play the E minor chord. So the biggest difference between the E minor scale and the G major scale at this point for our fingers here is we're going to slide everything over and have finger 1 always in the 2nd fret, finger 2 in the 3rd, finger 3 in the 4th, pinky in the 5th. So that's going to be something to get used to, not to slide over and try to be in the position we were for the G major scale. So when we look at that, I wanted to first let you hear the E minor scale. Okay, so starting with finger 1 in the 2nd fret, then we will play 3, then 4 for our fingers, but it's 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret. Okay, so let's go up and down it twice, and then we will end with the E minor chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. And then we'll play our E minor chord. Okay, so that way you kind of get the sound of the song in your head with the minor versus the major. So the next thing I want to go over is our new chord. It's the last chord in the song, F major. So that I put that at the bottom there. There's where the chord is on the chart. Here's your F major. And to do it, we're going to do this first thing, which is called barring. And when I say bar, that means we're covering more than one string with one finger. So we're taking our index finger in the 1st fret and we're covering the 1st and the 2nd string. Now what I want you to really think about is your thumb. The thumb is so important. If your thumb goes over to this side, you will not get this chord to sound out very good. It's probably already not going to sound great. You have to just keep playing and keep going until it sounds. And don't be too hard on yourself. Give yourself some time to get used to just the strength that you need in your hands. So finger 1 is on the 1st and 2nd string. Now finger 2 is going to go on the 3rd string, and finger 3 goes on the 4th string. And this is F major. So one more time, we put our finger 1 covering 2 strings with that thumb right back here, squeezing right behind that finger, finger 2 and finger 3. So that's F major. Your finger's going to want to come up, but you got to get this joint right here really, really strong and flat. Some of my students have had problems with that bending on them. It will come, just practice that, but at least it's only one time in the song and it's at the end. So for that, we are thankful. Okay, so now we're going to do the strum pattern. This is the trickiest part in it. In fact, I think I'm going to stop this video and do the next video with the strum pattern.